Вечерва на МТМ телевизија, своеглавата и ексцентричната сестра Джеки.
Do not take it out on him.
Who am I taking it out on?
Thor. He's diabetic, you know that, right?
It's Nurse Jackie. Really? She constantly challenges my decisions, is bossy and rude.
My house, my kids. Are you out of your fucking mind?
I can't just turn it off like you can.
Turn it off, Ed.
You wanna know what your problem is? You're fucking greedy.
Didn't you practice?
That's not very nice, Caitlin.
Okay, I told you not to scold my child.
I asked your child to make a little bit of room for my child, and I think I said please.
Oh, I made too much tater tot hot dish, so I thought I'd bring some over. Caitlin says you guys order a lot of pizza.
Yes, we happen to love pizza.
Вечерва, 21 часот и 40 минути. Сестра Джеки.